We'll guide you through how to make glitch text in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type CapCut into the search box. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for the program to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project or create a new one if you are starting a fresh edit. Import your video if it is not already included in the project. Then drag the video onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Click the Text tab from the toolbar to access the available text tools. Select Add Text and type the text that you want to transform into a glitch effect. Customize the font, size, color, and position of the text until it matches the style and appearance that you want for your project. Once the text is ready, click the Effects tab from the toolbar to view the available visual effects. Use the search bar to find the glitch effect and wait for the matching results to appear. Browse through the available glitch effects and select the one that best suits your project. Drag the selected glitch effect onto the effects track above the text layer on the timeline so the effect is applied correctly. Click the Applied Glitch Effect on the timeline to open its settings in the Properties panel. Review the available controls and adjust the effect settings to change the appearance of the glitch animation according to your preferences. After making your adjustments, preview the video in the playback window to see how the glitch text animation appears with the rest of your project. Preview the project again after every change to confirm that the glitch effect improves the overall presentation without making the text difficult to read. Review the completed project one final time to ensure everything appears correct. Once you are satisfied with the final result, save your project to preserve the glitch text effect and all of your recent editing changes.